Hey friends, if you wish to delete a file or folder that won't delete, then please watch this video. Now, other YouTube channels and websites will suggest you to use the command prompt method or using a third party deleting software. But here's the thing, that is a workaround. It is not a solution. We have to resolve this problem from the root, and thus we have to address the root cause. So this file deletion can be prevented either by some third party software products or a stuck Windows update or malware on the system. So before anything else, just search for MRT in the Windows search bar and go and click on MRT, that is the run command. Let it load and then select next, select full scan, select next, and then let it go through. So this is the first approach. And then the next approach will be to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Update in the right pane. Once this is done, now you can run a clean boot on your system. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and go to System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.